Six Flags Great Adventure is home to an amazing collection of coasters. Coasters that smash the height records, to coasters that flip you head over heels. They are a coaster mecca. So it's no surprise that the latest thrill machine packs some serious punches. The Jersey Devil Coaster is a Rocky Mountain construction single-rail coaster. The single-rail design can move you in ways no other coaster can. This leads to tight turns, crazy twists, and insane inversions. Are you ready to take a ride?
Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh yeah. Oh my god! Oh, so I have to say, I don't like roller coasters that are extremely forceful, and this was smooth. It was the right style of intensity. Oh my, I love this coaster.
Well, it looks like RMC and Great Adventure have a winner on their hands. My ride was pretty smooth and the sleds were accommodating for a guy my size. I also really enjoy the new elements and inversions the single rail concept lets you experience. This was my first single rail coaster and it exceeded my expectations. I can only hope that more parks are able to install coasters like these. Until next time, I'm Clint Novak and we'll see you on the Midway.